We're Rita and Dave from Alpha Performance, and today we're going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself ice ball for shin splint treatment. So if you need to ice your shins, but you also need to stretch your shins and you have shin splints, this is a nice, easy way to do it that doesn't require a lot of equipment. You'll need at least 2 cups of ice, or about how much you can put in a protein shaker bottle. I'll need 2 plastic bags. Shopping bags like this will be fine. And then you need a roll of tape, preferably athletic or medical tape that's cloth, but any kind of tape. Duct tape, packaging tape, anything will do. Okay? So to start, you're going to put the ice in the first bag, close to the edge, where the plastic is the strongest. Get it as tight as you can. Should be about the size of a softball, and spin it. And then tie a knot so it's close. Okay? You're going to take the second bag and just go over the top. So get it to the corner at the bottom as tight as you can. The tails line up. Again, spin it. And then tie a knot. Close to the ice ball. Okay, so now you have the ice ball. You're going to hold the tail in one hand. You're going to wrap tape around the perimeter. You'll go around it 3 or 4 times. You're just trying to make it smooth. Because this is the area that's going to be in contact with your shins. It's going to help you make a better massage surface. And it's going to keep any shards of ice from poking you. Because you don't need bruises on your shins when you already have shin splints. Okay, from here, for about 30 seconds, you're just going to keep putting your hands around this. This is going to start melting the ice, so there's more surface area. Air pockets don't stay cold. You can blow on it if you want, but just for 30 seconds or so, just melt the ice in your hands. Okay, so you're done with that. Now you have the ice ball. You're going to put the tape side at your shins. Now, most people with shin splints have pain somewhere in this area. So if you find those 2 areas that are real painful, you're going to try to get the ice right in between those 2 spots. Now, after the ice ball's set, you're going to do pin and stretch to loosen up the muscles and reduce some pain. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your arms, give yourself a hug around your knees. You're going to squeeze your knees, and at that point, you'll probably feel a little bit of soreness that the ice is on the right spot. You're going to keep your knees hugged. That's the pin part. And then to stretch, you're just going to pull your toes up and down. And what that's going to do, it's going to loosen any muscle knots, release any tension throughout the muscle on that inner side of the shin. For more information about shin splints, we have a blog post about it over on alphapnr.com. So you're going to do about 20 or 30 reps at that spot. And then you can reposition the ice. Most people with shin splints are going to have another spot below or a spot above. So 20 to 30 repetitions, work in each spot. And you can go through that for 2 or 3 rounds. So this is a nice way to ice your shins as well as to stretch the shin muscle that's involved in shin splints. For more information on shin splints, you can check out more tips here at our YouTube channel or head over to our website at alphapnr.com. Thanks.